Hey everybody, your Harley Parts guy here. We have a beautiful used takeoff, and I mean barely used, barely used, XL883 Charcoal Denim fuel tank. This is the 3.3 gallon, as you can see. Great condition, no scratches, no dents, no dings, nothing like that. Do have a little blemish across the top here. It actually feels like glue. Do a little scraping on it, does come off. Fitment, we got 07 through 22 XL883, XL1200N, XL1200CX, XL1200R, and XL883R. Once again, mint condition, 3.3 gallon. I do have a part number for you to reference, 610002222DZN. I'm asking $450 plus shipping or best offer. So if you're interested, feel free to shoot me a DM. Otherwise, make sure you check out my profile for a link to my eBay store for more Harley related items.